I want you to know that what we choose to eat every single day can make a big difference in our immunity. I always get asked what foods I eat.
Meet Dr. William Li, a world-renowned Harvard-trained medical doctor, researcher, president and founder of the Angiogenesis Foundation. His work has led to more than 40 FDA-approved therapeutics and devices for cancer, cardiovascular disease, wound healing, and vision loss. He is also a New York Times best-selling author with Eat to Beat Disease: The New Science of How Your Body Can Heal Itself. He also published another book, Eat to Beat Diet: Burn Fat, Heal Your Metabolism, and Live Longer. Disclaimer: please consult with a healthcare professional before making any health-related decisions or changes to your diet and lifestyle. Cancer is a global threat, with treatments often as daunting as the disease itself. In the US, 1 in 3 people will be diagnosed with cancer, making it the second leading cause of death after heart disease. In the UK, the risk rises to 1 in 2. Dr. William Li emphasizes that while traditional cancer treatments focused on killing cancer cells, modern approaches aim to enhance the body's immune defenses. Factors like genetics, lifestyle, and environmental exposures weaken these defenses. Dr. Li highlights the role of diet in boosting immunity and fighting cancer. Both solid tumors and blood cancers, like leukemia and lymphoma, rely on blood supply and can be targeted by strengthening the immune system. A poor diet increases cancer risk, but certain foods can cut off a tumor's blood supply, eliminate cancer stem cells, activate immunity, and protect DNA. In today's video, we'll discuss the top spices and herbs that Dr. Li recommends to boost your body's natural defenses. 1. Turmeric.
So this is an interesting thing. Most of us have heard that turmeric, which is a kind of a root, when you cut it open, it's this bright, beautiful, bright orange, a lovely color. And turmeric is also a dried spice used in Southeast Asian cuisine, including Indian cuisine, is where I first became acquainted with it. It not only makes food beautiful, it actually makes food delicious. It's got quite a lovely taste to it. It's a spice. Inside turmeric is curcumin. Curcumin is one of those natural chemicals, kind of like lycopene. It's one of those Mother Nature's treasure chest, Mother Nature's pharmacy with an F, not a PH.
Turmeric is a potent weapon in the fight against cancer and can help with weight loss, according to Dr. William Li. Turmeric, a root in the ginger family, is frequently used in traditional medicine and cuisine throughout Southeast Asia. It is typically dried and ground into a bright orange powder. Since curcumin is the main bioactive component of turmeric, its pro-regenerative, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-angiogenic properties are well established. Dr. Li references studies conducted by Suzhou University in China on the benefits of curcumin on diabetic rats that have poor leg circulation. In general, these animals had substantially less endothelial progenitor cells, which are crucial for blood vessel health. These cells doubled in number after 2 weeks of curcumin therapy, and the leg's blood flow improved dramatically, up to 8 times. This implies that curcumin may enhance vascular health, a vital component of cancer prevention and general health maintenance. Turmeric has advantages that go beyond its vascular effects. Dr. Li claims that curcumin stimulates brown fat, increases norepinephrine release, and prevents the formation of new fat tissue in order to boost thermogenesis. It also changes unhealthy white fat into beneficial brown fat. These qualities make using turmeric as a weight loss technique. 2. Rosemary. A mainstay of Mediterranean cooking, rosemary is prized for both its unique flavor and its many health advantages. Rosmarinic acid, a potent chemical named for its discovery in this herb, is the main bioactive component of rosemary. Dr. William Li highlights the important function rosmarinic acid plays in improving general health and preventing cancer. Numerous studies have been conducted on rosmarinic acid's potential to treat cancer. Studies carried out at Poznan University in Poland demonstrated this compound's epigenetic effects. According to the study, rosmarinic acid can stop tumor suppressor genes in human breast cancer cells from being blocked. In order to stop the development of cancer, tumor suppressor genes are vital in controlling cell proliferation and apoptosis, or programmed cell death. Through preserving the activity of these genes, Rosmarinic acid supports the body's defense mechanisms against cancer. Not only can rosemary include rosmarinic acid, but other common herbs like basil, marjoram, sage, thyme, and peppermint also contain it. These herbs have a number of health advantages and are frequently used in Mediterranean and other cuisines. Basil is well known for its capacity to promote cardiovascular health and its anti-inflammatory qualities. Marjoram aids in inflammation reduction and has digestive effects. Sage has been demonstrated to enhance memory and brain function. It is also high in antioxidants. Thyme is antimicrobial and beneficial to respiratory health. Finally, peppermint has the ability to calm muscles and aid with digestion. Because of their numerous health advantages as well as their gastronomic appeal, Dr. Lee strongly recommends using herbs like rosemary in the diet. He emphasizes that these herbs include chemicals, such rosmarinic acid, that can improve metabolic health, strengthen the body's defenses against cancer, and enhance general well-being. 3. Black pepper.
That if you have fresh cracked black pepper, all right, there's a substance in fresh cracked black pepper called piperine. Piperine is one of Mother Nature's, again, these remarkable chemicals that actually influences the body. And piperine helps the body hang on to the curcumin. So if you have fresh cracked black pepper with your turmeric, you're actually creating a 1-2 punch that allows you to absorb more of the curcumin.
Black pepper, a spice that's widely used in kitchens, gives meals more flavor than just a little zing. Dr. William Lee highlights its significance in augmenting the health benefits of other bioactive compounds in the diet, particularly curcumin found in turmeric. The primary bioactive component of black pepper is piperine. Due to its reputation for increasing the absorption of several nutrients and bioactives, piperine is a powerful addition to any diet. This property is especially important in relation to curcumin, the main active ingredient in turmeric. Dr. Lee claims that piperine can uptake curcumin up to 2,000 times. This substantial increase is necessary for turmeric to offer its full spectrum of health benefits. When combined with piperine, curcumin's bioavailability is significantly enhanced, allowing the body to fully absorb its therapeutic benefits. You can successfully incorporate black pepper into your diet by using whole peppercorns and freshly ground peppercorns when needed. This ensures you get the maximum amount of piperine and the freshest flavor. Add a dash of black pepper to any dish that calls for turmeric to enhance the absorption of curcumin. One of the many spice blends that typically includes this combination is curry powder. Dr. Lee emphasizes the need of combining turmeric and black pepper to maximize the efficacy of curcumin. This combination is a simple yet powerful way to use nutrition to enhance health outcomes. 4. Cinnamon.
What if I told you that you probably have a powerful ingredient for burning fat and improving your metabolism in your pantry right now? I'm talking about cinnamon. Cinnamon has more than 20 different bioactives that can influence your metabolism, and one of them is called cinnamaldehyde, which can trigger your brain to release a hormone that fires up your brown fat, and this can improve your metabolism. A clinical study from India showed that cinnamon can improve blood glucose, shrink waist size, and even reverse metabolic syndrome.
Cinnamon is the bark of the tree, rolled into a quill. However, it is most frequently associated with a powder that is dusted over hot apple cider or apple pie. Dr. William Lee claims that cinnamon can significantly improve your metabolism, which is the process by which food is transformed by your body's cells into energy. Cinnamon has around 20 different bioactive compounds that can influence your metabolism. One of cinnamon's primary benefits is its ability to enhance metabolic processes. One of the bioactives in cinnamon, cinnamaldehyde, is necessary to increase the body's metabolic rate. Cinnamaldehyde has been shown to enhance thermogenesis, the body's process of generating heat and burning calories. This effect can help with weight management by promoting fat burning and preventing the accumulation of body fat. Because cinnamon increases insulin sensitivity, blood sugar regulation is significantly aided. Improved insulin sensitivity makes it possible for the body to utilize glucose for energy more effectively. The hormone insulin regulates blood sugar levels. This would be especially helpful for those with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. By regulating blood sugar, cinnamon can reduce the risk of metabolic diseases and improve overall metabolic health. Cinnamon is high in antioxidants, which help protect bodily cells from damage caused by free radicals. Because internal inflammation has been linked to several chronic ailments, such as cancer and heart disease, cinnamon's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce it. Dr. Lee emphasizes that improving overall health and preventing disease require reducing inflammation. Recent research suggests that cinnamon may be beneficial to brain function. Compounds in cinnamon can stop the buildup of tau proteins in the brain, which are connected to Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, cinnamon's antioxidants protect the brain from oxidative stress, which may improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Cinnamon has long been known to aid in digestion. It helps food break down more easily, which reduces bloating and pain. Because cinnamon has antimicrobial properties, it can help maintain a healthy population of gut flora, which benefits the overall health of the digestive system. Dr. Lee emphasizes the importance of boosting health with natural foods like cinnamon. Having knowledge of the strong bioactive compounds in cinnamon and their impact on metabolism and overall well-being will assist you in making choices that will support your body's natural functions. 5. Chili pepper.
I want to show you a food that can help your metabolism. Chili peppers, in this case, cherry Calabrian chili peppers. Chilies have a bioactive called capsaicin that lights up your tongue, that text messages your brain and releases neurotransmitters, and this activates your brown fat, causes something called thermogenesis to help you burn down your harmful body fat.
Chili peppers are not only quite fiery, but they also provide a number of health advantages. Dr. William Lee states that because capsaicin has so many bioactive properties, researchers are looking into its potential for stem cell activity. Capsaicin is the chemical that gives chili peppers their heat. Because capsaicin promotes healthy stem cell function, it increases longevity and vitality by promoting tissue regeneration and repair. Another well-known effect of capsaicin is that it can effectively reduce chronic pain by desensitizing pain receptors. In addition to being a pain reliever, capsaicin increases thermogenesis and calorie burning, which helps with weight control. By lowering blood pressure and increasing blood flow, it promotes cardiovascular health. Moreover, the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory qualities of capsaicin shield cells from harm and lessen inflammation, which is connected to a variety of chronic illnesses, including cancer. Moreover, new studies indicate that capsaicin may cause cancer cells to undergo apoptosis and slow the growth of tumors, indicating a potential function for capsaicin in the prevention and treatment of cancer. Dr. Lee advises using chili peppers in your diet to reap these health benefits. He emphasizes how capsaicin improves the flavor of food and offers several other health-promoting bioactive advantages. All things considered, chili peppers are a potent complement to a diet focused on health, providing advantages that boost metabolic health, lower pain, support stem cell activity, and guard against long-term illnesses like cancer. 6. Aged garlic.
It has allicin. That is not only great, adding great flavor, but it also is contributing to a bioactive that will activate your circulation, also lower inflammation.
Ancient Greeks used garlic to fortify athletes and soldiers and as a component of medicinal tonics. It has long been praised as a culinary ingredient and health cure. Garlic has a strong, pungent fragrance while it's fresh, but as it ages, its intense bioactive chemicals are retained, and it practically becomes odorless. Robust bioactives like apigenin, which are frequently included in aged garlic supplements, have a profound effect on the immune system. Dr. William Lee emphasizes the immune system boosting properties of aged garlic, as well as its possible significance in cancer prevention. During the cold and flu season, 120 healthy men and women participated in a study done by researchers at the University of Florida in Gainesville. For 90 days, participants were split into two groups and given either an aged garlic extract or a placebo. The findings were striking. Compared to the placebo group, those who ingested the aged garlic extract had far higher levels of natural killer, NK, and immunological T cells in their blood. Supercharged, the T cells in the aged garlic group could replicate 8 times quicker than those in the placebo group. The NK cells also showed a 30% increase in activation. The study also demonstrated useful health advantages. Individuals who took the garlic extract reported a 20% reduction in cold and flu symptoms, a 60% decrease in occasions of feeling too ill to perform everyday tasks, and a 58% decrease in lost workdays. These results point to a direct link between older garlic, higher immune cell function, and lower sickness rates. An additional study conducted by experts at Kyoto Prefecture University of Medicine in Japan, with patients who had incurable cancer, provided evidence for the possible benefits of aged garlic. These patients' circulating NK cell activity increased 6 months after they started taking aged garlic. This makes it possible to investigate if giving patients receiving immunotherapy older garlic could strengthen their immune responses against cancer. Dr. Lee highlights that there is clinical evidence that aged garlic can boost immunity against common infections and may even prevent cancer. You may use the potent bioactive chemicals in old garlic to strengthen your immune system, promote general health, and possibly even prevent cancer by including it in your diet.